This video is about the Dremel 3D45-01 DigiLab award-winning 3D printer, a professional-grade 3D printer that is perfect for both beginners and experienced makers. If you are curious about the latest price or want to purchase it today, make sure to check the link to this 3D printer in the description below. The Dremel 3D45 stands out for its award-winning reliability and compatibility with PLA, making it an ideal choice for creating high-quality prints right from your home or classroom. One of its most impressive features is the fully heated glass build plate, capable of reaching up to 100 degrees Celsius, paired with an all-metal 0.4mm nozzle that can heat up to 280 degrees Celsius, ensuring consistent, precise prints with minimal warping. The 5-inch full-color touchscreen makes setup intuitive, allowing you to go from unboxing to your first print in less than 15 minutes. Its fully enclosed plastic design not only enhances print quality by controlling the environment, but also improves safety, keeping fingers and pets away from hot components. The Dremel 3D45 also includes a built-in carbon and particulate filter, which reduces odors and airborne particles during printing, an important consideration for indoor use. While this printer comes with a higher price tag compared to entry-level models, the build quality, ease of use, and precision make it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about 3D printing. It's perfect for educators, hobbyists, or small businesses looking to create prototypes, models, or functional parts. The combination of fast setup, excellent print reliability, and thoughtful safety features truly sets it apart from competitors. For those who want a 3D printer that delivers consistent, high-quality results without frustration, the Dremel 3D45 is worth every penny. Don't miss out. Check the link in the description below to see the current price or grab yours today and start creating professional quality prints effortlessly.